Oh man, Fred! Can you stop shaking the table so much? You messed up my paper!
I'm sorry, I was just trying to erase something.
Oh, whatever. Man, where was I? I'm never gonna finish if he keeps doing that. Oh! I'll break Fred with his own eraser. All I need is his marker. Now I'll color the whole eraser. Okay, I just gotta put it back.
Ah, no, I messed up the problem again. Oh no, my paper!
That's what you get for... Stop shaking the table!
Hey, Lily, I need the... Oh no, my paintbrush! Lily, what's wrong with you?
But Fred, I don't even have my own paintbrushes!
I don't care, you messed it up!
But Fred!
No! I need to stop Lily from using my brushes! Ah! First, I'll take some paint. Next, I'll paint the handles of the brushes. Now let's see if Lily still wants to use my brushes.
The handles feel weird. Paint!
You want to take some more brushes, Lily?
Fred, now I have to go wash my hair! Fred, can I have mine?
No way, get your own!
Oh, you're so mean! Miss Stacy!
Fred, you know the rules! If I see you eating in class again, I'll kick you out!
Oh man! So she thinks she can eat in class? We'll see about that. I'm gonna prank Lily, and all I need is this box cutter knife. First, I'll cut the bottom of the can off. Now I'll just set it down and... Professor! Lily's eating in class!
Oh no!
Lily! What is the meaning of this? You know the rules?
But Professor,
No! Clean this up and get out of my class! Alright everyone, clear your desks for the pop quiz.
What? Pop quiz?
Are you serious?
What? It should be easy if you studied and you have something else in class.
Oh man, I didn't study!
Me neither. What are we gonna do?
Wait, don't worry, I have an idea. All we need is a candle.
Are you serious? What are we gonna do with the candle?
Rub the candle on the paper. Now that the paper's coated in wax, we can't write it on it anymore. Look!
Wow, it actually worked!
Yeah, now follow my lead. Miss Stacy!
What is it, Lily?
Something's wrong with the paper. I can't write on it.
Yeah, me neither.
Let me see. That's weird, but don't worry, I have extra copies.
What?
Now hurry up, you only have 5 minutes until class is over. You guys both got F's? Are you serious?
The test was super hard.
Dad, I studied so much.
When I unhook this grade, I'll have to drop you from the class.
What? No! I need this class to graduate. I can't drop now.
Don't worry. Distract the professor and I'll take care of the rest.
Okay, Professor Stacy.
What is it, Fred?
I need help with this problem.
Alright. I'll look up blue screen PNG and set it as the wallpaper. Now that the screen is blue, I'll just have to disable the mouse. I'll put a sticky note over this so it blocks the sensor. Let's see how Miss Stacy inputs the grades now.
Thanks so much for your help, Professor.
No problem.
Now to input those grades.
Huh? What's wrong with the computer?
Oh no, my screen! I can't use the computer! Yes, it worked!
You're a genius, Lily! Lily, look! This is my best painting yet!
That's your best painting?
What? It's not that bad, is it?
Mine's way better. I can't even tell what yours is supposed to be.
Oh, Lily's so mean. I'll teach her a lesson. I'm gonna prank Lily with this ketchup.
I need some more red. Huh? What's wrong with the paint? Oh, is that ketchup?
Yeah, it is.
Ew, gross!
Lily, you need to turn in your rough drafts by the end of class. No exceptions.
But I haven't even started!
Well, you shouldn't have procrastinated.
Oh man, what am I gonna do? I know! Fred won't mind if I take just some of his ideas.
Lily, stop copying me!
But I don't want to fail. Can you just let me copy today? Please, please, please?
No, you said that last time.
Fine.
I need to stop her from copying me. Ah! All we need is some fishing line and a plastic spider. First, tie the fishing line around the spider. Now just tape the spider to the notebook. Alright, now the trap is set.
I'll just take a quick peek. Spider!
That'll teach you to stop cheating. I need her to stop her from... That'll teach you to smash the...
I'm never gonna finish. I'll paint.
Okay. That'll teach you to keep teaching my... To take my brush. This is my Buka. I can't drop it now.
And I'll take care of the rest.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our school pranks? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!